Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make San Marzano tomato sauce. First, choose the best quality San Marzano tomatoes you can find. They are key to the sauce's rich taste. Next, gather your fresh basil, a few cloves of garlic, and a good extra virgin olive oil. Finally, ensure you have a large, heavy-bottomed pot ready, along with your other basic kitchen tools. This preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious sauce. Now let's get cooking. Open your cans of whole peeled San Marzano tomatoes and gently crush them by hand directly into a bowl. This creates a lovely rustic texture. In your large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat, then add your minced garlic. Sauté it until it's fragrant, but don't let it brown. Then, carefully add the crushed tomatoes to the pot and give it a good stir. With the tomatoes in the pot, it's time to build those deep flavors. Add a few fresh basil sprigs directly into the sauce. They will infuse it beautifully. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, allowing it to cook for at least 45 minutes. This slow simmer is crucial for developing its richness. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Your incredible San Marzano tomato sauce is almost ready. Before serving, remember to remove the basil sprigs from the pot. They've done their job infusing the sauce with their wonderful aroma. Now, ladle this warm, flavorful sauce over your favorite pasta, polenta, or use it as a base for other dishes. It's truly versatile. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.